I have some brown stew chicken here. See that? Nice, rich, thick gravy for all those gravy lovers. All the gravy lovers. There you go. Brown stew chicken here. I have some fish over there. I'm going to be finishing up that now. So I'm just showing you. Coconut. Have some coconut sauce. Chicken in orange coconut sauce. Nice. There you go. Nice. Pretty. Chicken in orange coconut sauce. Yes. And I'm gonna steam my fish. A huge fish there. I'm gonna turn this down on the flame off, as a matter of fact. I don't think this needs to be on the fire anymore. Very good. All those gravy lovers, there you have it. There you go. Onto the fish now. I've just turn it over. So I'm getting the other side to kind of look like this. And then I'm gonna put my seasoning in. Some okra. So that's my seasoning. Just some garlic, onion, and tomato. And I have some okra there. I'm gonna put that in also. A little bit of water. Get it steamed. I'm doing some steam snapper. That's all I'm gonna be having. Yeah, but I want to get that fish fried somewhat. I'm gonna cover it and stay in. So that's my dinner. Steamed fish and coconut juice with crackers. So that's my dinner. I have rice here, and that's my chicken. But I'm not gonna have any chicken, I'm just gonna have the fish and crackers and some fruit juice. That's my dinner. There you have it, that's my dinner. This is all I want, and this is all I'm gonna have. Steamed fish with some okra, crackers, and some carrot juice. That's my dinner. That's all I want, that's all I'm gonna have. So good. People, this is what is left. So I need not say anything else. I need not, because this is what is left of my dinner. I did enjoy my dinner. That's what I want, and that's what I had. Okay, see you later.